Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is an incredible way to create shorts, engaging videos that can quickly reach a large audience. Whether you're looking to grow your channel, go viral, or simply share creative content, Shorts is the perfect tool. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of making YouTube Shorts, from recording to uploading and optimizing for maximum reach. The first step is to open YouTube Shorts camera, and to do that, just open the YouTube app on your mobile device. After that, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, plus button right here, and then in order to create shorts, you have to meet some requirements. Now I'm just gonna create a video as an example, and select a random video from your gallery. Now, the second step is to record or upload a video, and you can upload or record a video. You can record a video by clicking on the camera settings right now, and opening the settings and etc. and let's giving YouTube the permission. Now, if you want to upload a video from your gallery, just select an already existing one and tap the icon and select vertical video, the 9:16 ratio, and you can record up to 60 seconds, but shorter clips which goes from 15 to 30 seconds tends to perform better. The third step is to edit your YouTube Shorts, and to do that, just trim clips by removing unwanted parts for a clean cut, and adjust speed by slowing down or speeding up clips for dramatic effects, and also add music and effects, and use filters and text. The fourth step is to add a title, a hashtag, and post. Write a catchy title that grabs attention and create a title. Type any title you want. Add a description which contains hashtags like hashtag shorts in the title or description to help YouTube recognize it, and select a thumbnail for desktop users, or let YouTube auto-generate one. And in the end, tap upload to publish your YouTube Shorts. Click next and proceed. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make a YouTube Shorts or a video. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.